And I have a really simple grounding and resetting tool that I'm going to share with you today. Sometimes we have weeks or days that kind of like we get sidelined by it. That happened to me this week, and I just had a week planned, and that's not what happened. And there were some things that just took me off my center. So this is a really helpful practice to help get back to that center and just ground. So I'm just going to walk you through it really, really quickly. You're going to use a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique. So first thing you're going to do is find five things that you see. I look and I see a chair and a blanket, picture frame, tree, whatever is in your room. Just scan and really take in whatever it is that you see. You're going to do four things that you feel. I feel my clothes on me. I feel my feet on the rug on the floor. I feel my legs on the back of the chair. I feel a slight breeze from the fan. So just four things that you feel. Three things that you hear. So I hear one of those cicadas that's telling me it's really hot outside because it's really hot outside. I hear a car in the distance. I hear a bit of a whirl from a fan. What do you hear? Two things that you can smell. Sometimes these are harder, sometimes they're easier. Did this earlier. Someone was cooking breakfast and I could smell that. And then the last one is one thing that you can taste. So I just had a sip of my spearmint tea. It was delicious, but I can still taste that and feel that in my mouth. So one thing that you can taste. And then just taking a breath, just feeling that brings you back into your body. Your senses are a direct route into your body. And then I want you to scan. You can do from left to right. Just scan the room and ask yourself, am I safe? In this moment, am I safe? And if you're not safe, you probably should not be watching this video. But if you're safe, then just reminding yourself that you're safe. We're signaling safety. It's okay. You're embodied. You're here. And sometimes I find this just a little bit to stop, to push pause. Lots is going on. It can feel a lot of things, but this, when we get back into our body, create a little space, come from a grounded place, and then continue on with our day. I hope that was helpful for you. I know it was helpful for me this week when I got a little bit sidelined by some things. So wishing you a beautiful day or evening. And yeah, again, I hope this is helpful. I look forward to seeing you next time. And if you know anyone that you think this would be helpful for, please send it on. I'm here to help support as many people as I can. Feel grounded, feel good, and remember the equanimity that can live inside in every moment. Okay, bye for now.